Hi, this is Phil Hinton and welcome to a short video review of the Panasonic PT-AT5000E. After a 2-year wait, this is Panasonic's first 3D LCD projector and it sports a brand new design to the body. The new high definition lens is now offset to the right hand side of the body with the exhaust vents to the left. Under the removable cover we have a joystick for lens shift which twists to adjust the amount of force needed to move the image, but we did find it a little frustrating. Also here is the IR transmitter for 3D. On the side of the projector are direct access controls should you lose the remote, and around the back there are 3 HDMI inputs and a host of legacy inputs. The IR transmitter built into the projector body may not have enough strength to work with some screens, so Panasonic have introduced a standalone unit which plugs into the trigger ports, and the 3D glasses used with the projector are the same as used with Viera TVs. The remote control is a small and sturdy affair with large buttons and is also backlit. It fits neatly in the hand and is easy to use. Moving to the menus, and we have plenty of picture controls on offer for 2D image setup, as well as advanced controls for full calibration of the projector. We have picture presets such as Cinema 1 and Cinema 2 and Rec 709 to choose from. Rec 709 is the closest to the industry standards for correct Blu-ray and TV playback. There are also on-off settings for the dynamic iris, as well as features like the waveform monitor. For advanced calibration, we have the white balance 2-point controls to set the grayscale, as well as an advanced gamma selection, which should be used with care. There is also a colour management system, and again we need a workaround to get this to work correctly, but the results are excellent when used. One of the unique features of the Panasonic in 2D mode is the lens memory function, which allows the use of a 235:1 screen, and when set up correctly, you watch 16:9 material in the centre of the screen, and we can then switch to 235 mode, which automatically zooms and focuses the image for that screen area. We can also then switch back again to normal 16:9 material. This auto function does not, however, work with 3D viewing and is greyed out along with the anamorphic stretch option. Moving to the out of the box presets, the Cinema 1 option produces a very good grayscale result, but the colour gamut is extremely wide of the standards and adds far too much colour to the image. The Rec 709 option again has good grayscale results out of the box, and this time the colour gamut tries to match the Rec 709 colour standards, so films and TV shows can be viewed as intended. Finally, the calibration results are very good with reference grayscale and a very good colour gamut calibration, with only blue causing any issues, and even then they are unseen on screen. Moving to 3D, and we have a host of picture settings available in the 3D menu system to get images looking nice and bright and with good colour balance. There is even a side-by-side correction tool available to make sure the left and right eye images match. Picture quality in 2D mode is extremely impressive, with very good black levels and dynamic range, and accurate colour and skin tones. With 3D viewing, there is no visible crosstalk on show, and the PT-AT5000 offers some of the brightest 3D images we've seen yet from a home cinema projector, thanks to its 480Hz panels and 6 milliseconds shutter opening time on the glasses. Overall, the PT-AT5000 is an excellent addition to the £3,000 price range of 3D projectors, and just pips the recently reviewed Sony HW30ES for 2D and 3D viewing, and it also adds in unique features like the memory zoom, and it can also be fully calibrated, unlike the Sony. The Panasonic gets our highly recommended badge, and you can read the full in-depth review at avforums.com/reviews. Thanks for watching.